Hello Algebra 1. Welcome to your verse video. To begin, we're going to start with some definitions. A variable is a letter or a symbol that represents a number which is also an unknown quantity. So when we have this example, 8 plus n equals 12, n is the variable. A variable can use any letter of the alphabet except O, and it needs to be lowercase. So we can have n plus 5, x minus 7, w minus 25. Algebraic expression is an expression that contains at least one variable, operation, and a constant. M plus 8 is an algebraic expression. So some definitions: a constant is a number that does not change. A coefficient is a number that is multiplied or divided by the variable. In this example, 6 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and 5 is the constant. Sorry guys, I realized this video was going a little fast. I hope I've slowed it down now. So to evaluate an algebraic expression is when we try to find the value of an algebraic expression and substitute numbers for variables by simplifying. So here we have m plus 8, so m can equal 2, 2 plus 8 equals 10, and another example was there at the bottom. Please feel free to pause. I'm sorry, next time I'll fix the timing. A term is a part of an expression that are added or subtraction. So this expression has three terms: 5x, 6, and 4x. A like terms are ones who have the same variable raised to the same power, meaning that they are alike. They sound the same, they kind of look the same. In this expression, 5x and 4x are like terms. So to simplify, we want to combine like terms and complete the operations. In this particular one, we have two different m's. So we have m plus 8 plus, let's go back guys. So we have m plus 8 plus m. If we combine those, that's like 1m plus 1m, which gives us 2m, and then we'll have 2m plus 8. Looking at the one down here, we have 2x, 2 times, that should be a dot, 2 times 2 plus 8. So we want to use our order of operations. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 8, we can solve that. So 4 plus 8 equals 12. That was a basic operation problem. Words that help us know that we're going to be adding are sum, more than, increased, plus, and altogether. I'm going to go back, give you some time to write those down. Guys, as we learn, some of my videos will not be perfect, but we'll get there. So you want to make sure to know these words for when we have word problems and we're transferring them into math problems. Words that will lead to subtraction are decreased, less, difference, minus, and how many more. If you need a little bit of extra time, feel free to pause the video to write these down. So what we want to do now is actually pause and take some time, pause the video, take some time to write an algebraic expression for these words or phrases. 10 more than a number decreased by 5, 6 less than a number increased by 8, the sum of a number and 9, or 4 more than a number. Hopefully you paused the video and found a few of these. Now we're actually going to see the right answers. So we have 10 more than a number. That's when we are going to add. More than is addition, and I just represented that number by n. You could have represented it by anything except for 0. A number decreased by 5. Oh, this goes way too fast. I used a different variable in this one. So it's w minus 5. 6 less than a number, x minus 6. A number increased, add n plus 8. The sum, addition, n plus 9. And 4 more than a number is also addition, so we want to add those. Here's some more examples. Take a moment to pause the video and try these by yourself. A number S plus 2, a number decreased by 1, 31 less than a number B increased by 7, the sum of a number and 6, 9 more than a number. I'm just going to let it go. I'm not going to try to read them this time, but if you guys need help, please raise your hand and I will come assist you with how I got the proper answer for these. Next time I don't think I'm going to use any animations, just plain. So here it gives you the value and it says x equals 10, so we just want to plug that in. 10 plus 8 is our first one, which will give us 18. 10 plus 49 is the next one, which gives us 59. 10 plus 10 would give us 20. 10 minus 10 is 0. 10 minus 7 is 3, and then 42 minus 10 is 32. So all we're doing is plugging them in there. Just evaluating the algebraic expression for 10. Here we have one side that tells us n is this number, and then we want to evaluate it. So we're just going to plug this number in to our other side. So here we have n minus 3. So that would be 5 minus 3, which would give us 2. 10 minus 3 would give us, in a minute, 7. And 21 minus 3 is 18. 32 minus 3 should give us 29. The same thing here, so we have 5 plus 6 is 11, 10 plus 6 is 16, 21 plus 6 is 27, 32 plus 6 is 38. So what I would like you to do now is to write an algebraic expression. So you're going to write the math version of the actual, I guess, written version. So Scott's brother is 2 years younger than Scott. Maybe you saw the example, maybe you didn't. The sum of two numbers is 12. The difference between two numbers is 5. So Scott's brother we can represent with any variable, and he's 2 years younger than Scott. So S minus 2, S for Scott. The sum of two numbers is 12. V plus C equals 12. The difference between two numbers is 5. M minus 9 is 5. You guys could have used any variable.